Good evening, my name is Rochelle Ralph, and this evening I will be giving you a tutorial on how to arch and define your eyebrows. First, I'm going to talk about the tools you will need in accomplishing a beautifully, naturally defined eyebrow. We have here is face primer. This brand is Sephora. However, it does not matter which brand of primer that you use. You just want to make sure that it is for the face or specifically for the eyes. Both will work. Then I have just regular tweezers. You can find them at your local drugstore, at Walmart, what have you. And I have the brow defining pencil that I use is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Once again, you do not have to get this brand, just any type of makeup pencil specific for defining eyebrows. You can get it at Walgreens, any type of cosmetic store, or Walmart. Then I have some concealer for finishing purposes. You want to make sure that the color is 1 to 2 shades lighter than your skin. A concealer brush. I prefer the one with the slant because you can maneuver in areas much easier than if it was a straight across brush. And last but not least, a rubber band. So we're going to go ahead and get started. First, you want to take your primer, apply a generous amount to your finger, not too much at all, and you want to apply it like lotion to your eyebrows, all over your eyebrows. The same concept, if you were going to paint a wall or paint anything, you would apply primer first so that the paint would hold much better. The purpose of the tweezers is to get rid of any unwanted hair, perhaps in the unibrow area or up under your eyebrows, anywhere that you don't want the hair to achieve that perfect brow look. Then I'm going to take my eyebrow pencil, move it up. You want to match the color of your natural eyebrows as much as possible. I have a dark brown color here because that's the closest to the color of my hair. They do have other colors like blonde or black or ash. Whatever your color hair is, you want to try to match the same color as your eyebrow. So, when beginning to define my eyebrows, I like to start at the corner, the bottom corner here. How you know where to start and achieve the right shape is you hold any object. I just use this because obviously this is what I'm defining with, and hold it at about an angle right like this. Wherever your natural eyebrow intersects on whatever object you're using, that is where you want your arch to be. So mine is about right there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is start here and pretty much outline the final shape that I want. I'm going to do an outline first, and then I'm going to go back and fill in the inside. So, in a short wisping motion, not pressing down too hard, I'm just going to kind of create that shape that I want. I know that my arch is there because I just measured. So that is going to be the highest point of my eyebrow. And then you just want to bring it down, and you don't want to go past about right there. Same thing, measure there as well. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Starting at that corner, going up to where we know our arch is, and coming back down in a wisping motion. Okay, then I'm going to go back and start filling in, kind of like coloring. Filling in the middle. Once I've achieved the shape and fill it in that I desire, that is when I'm going to go to the concealer and apply a generous amount. You can put it on your hand, paper towel, anything. you're going to dab your concealer brush, and you're just going to follow the bottom of the outline of your eyebrow. Kind of just cleaning up there. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. The concealer also highlights the area up under the eyebrow, thus giving it a more pop effect for the arch. You can kind of see in this lighting. Okay. And finally, you have your rubber band. This is what I use for my cleanup. So I know it's kind of disgusting, but I lick it. And then I just go along the edges of my outline to just clean it up. And there you have it. That is how to naturally define and make an arch in your eyebrows. If you would like further training on how to do this, there are plenty of videos on YouTube. You can purchase makeup classes. And the most important thing about this is practice makes perfect. Thank you.